Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. In today's lecture, we will start chapter number 2 of our book, which is exponents. Okay, so we will start with the meaning of the word exponent. Okay, so an exponent is a number written above and to the right of a mathematical expression called the base. It indicates that the base is to be raised to a certain power. So for example, if we have an expression like x to the power n, if we have an expression like this, x to the power n, okay, so here x is known as the base, whereas this number n is known as exponent. The number n is known as exponent as written in this general expression. So this is what the general expression of exponent. Okay, so the number x is known as base and the number n is known as exponent. Here we will read it as x to the power n. We will read it as x to the power n. For example, 2 to the power 5. Here 2 is the base, whereas 5 is the exponent. Another example, 3 to the power 2. Here the number 3 is called base and the number 2 is exponent. Minus 4 to the power 3. Here minus 4 is known as base, here, and 3 is the exponent here. Okay. Now how to calculate the value of this expression? Okay, so for example 3 to the power 2. Okay, so when we have base to the power exponent, then it means that the base will be multiplied, the number of times of exponent. यानी कि जितनी बार यहाँ पर जो एक्सपोनेंट की वैल्यू है हम उतनी बार बेस की वैल्यू को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो बेस, दिस इज व्हाट सक्सेसिव मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो द बेस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड एक्सपोनेंट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. ओके, सो इफ वी हैव x to the power n, then it means that x will be multiplied n number of times. X will be multiplied n number of times with its value. Okay, so this is how we will calculate the value of an exponent. Okay, so 3 to the power 2 will be 3 multiplied by 3. That means it is 9. Okay, another example, 2 to the power 4. So it will be 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2 4 times. Okay, so it will have the value 16. Okay, so in this way we calculate the value of exponent. Okay, now you can see here that in the first two examples the base value is positive, and in the next example, third example, the base value is negative. Okay, so now we will discuss exponent of a positive integer and exponent of a negative integer. Okay, so the first is exponent of a positive integer. Okay, that means the base value is positive here. Okay, that means the base value is positive here, like 2 to the power 5, here 2 is positive, 3 to the power 2, here 3 is a positive value. Okay, now a to the power n, where this value a is a positive integer, it will be a to the power n when n is an even number. That means when the exponent is even, it will be a to the power n, and it will also remain a to the power n when n is an odd number. Okay, so that means that in case of a positive base value, in case of a positive integer, or in case when base value is positive, okay, the value will remain same. it, for example, 3 to the power 2. For example, 3 to the power 2. Here you can see that the base value 3 is a positive integer. So it will remain as 3 to the power 2. That means it will be 3 multiplied by 3. That means value 9. Okay. For example, 3 to the power 3. Here 3 again is a positive value, but now the exponent value is an odd number. Here it was an even number. 2 is an even number, whereas 3 is an odd number. Okay. So now we have a positive base and exponent is odd value. Okay. So it will also remain 3 to the power 3, and that means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That means the value will be 27 in this case. So in case when the base value is a positive integer, okay, then the value will remain same either in case exponent is even or it is odd. Okay, so in both the cases the value will remain same as a to the power n, right? Now in case when the base value is a negative integer, okay, so what will happen in this case? Okay, now let's see here, exponent of a negative integer, right? So minus a to the power n. So you can see here that the base value which is minus a, because we have a negative sign, so it's a negative integer. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, again we will have two cases, either when n is even and when n is odd number. That means exponent even value and exponent as an odd value. So in case when the exponent value n is even, minus a to the power n will become a to the power n. Minus a to the power n will become a to the power n. That means the negative sign will be removed here from here. Okay. But in case when n is an odd number, when exponent value is an odd number, then it will be minus of a to the power n. Minus of a to the power n. So let's understand this with the help of an example. Okay. So for example, minus 3 to the power 2. Minus 3 to the power 2. So you can see here that the base value is minus 3, which is a negative integer, and the exponent value is 2 here, which is an even number. Okay. So negative base to the power even exponent. Negative base and exponent is even. So in this case, because the exponent value is even, so minus 3 to the power 2 will become 3 to the power 2. Will become 3 to the power 2. And 3 to the power 2 is 3 multiplied by 3. That means the value 9. Let's take another example. Minus 3 to the power 3. Minus 3 to the power 3. Again the base value is negative, minus 3. But now the exponent value is an odd number. It is 3 here. So now it will become negative of 3 to the power 3. Now minus sign will come out of the bracket and we will have 3 to the power 3. So what we will do, we will calculate this value 3 to the power 3 and we will place a negative sign in front of this value. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That means we will multiply 3 times. Okay. So it will be 27 and we have a negative sign in front of this. So it will be minus 27. It will be minus 27. Okay. Let's take another example. Okay. So for example, 4 to the minus 4 to the power 2. Minus 4 to the power 2. Okay. So it will be 4 to the power 2. Why? Because the exponent value is even here. Okay. So in case of even, minus 4 to the power 2 will become 4 to the power 2. And 4 to the power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4. That means 16. that means 16. Okay, but in case we have minus 4 to the power 3. Okay, in this case you can see that the exponent value is odd here, and base value is negative integer. So it will be minus of 4 to the power 3, that means negative of 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 4 is how much? 16, and 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So it will be minus 64 in this case. Okay, so in case when the base value is negative, you have to take care when you are calculating the value. What you need to take care? You have to look at the value of exponent. If exponent is even, okay, then minus a to the power n will become a to the power n. And in case exponent is odd, then minus a to the power n will become minus of a to the power n. Okay, so take care about this when you are calculating the value of a negative integer. Okay, now नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स, अभी हमने क्या बात करी कि जब बेस वैल्यू नेगेटिव होगा. ओके, बट यू लुक एट ऑल दीज एग्जांपल्स. लुक हियर द एक्सपोनेंट इज 2. ओके, तो एक्सपोनेंट का वैल्यू तो पॉजिटिव है यहाँ पर. लुक एट दिस एग्जांपल, एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू इज 3. अगेन द एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, ओनली द बेस वैल्यू वाज नेगेटिव, right? But the exponent value is positive in all the examples that we have discussed till now. Now what happens when the exponent value becomes negative? अगर exponent का value negative हो तो हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? So it's very simple. Look at this example. A to the power minus n. Okay, a to the power minus n. Now here the exponent value is negative. Here the exponent value minus n, it is negative. So in case when exponent value is negative, what we will do? We will take reciprocal. Okay, of the number. So for example, a to the power minus n. Okay, a to the power minus n. It can also be written as a to the power minus n upon 1. Okay, any number can be written in form of that number divided by 1. Okay, it will remain same, right? So what is reciprocal? Okay, we have understood this in rational numbers chapter number 1. So how to take reciprocal? When we take reciprocal, then the denominator comes in numerator, okay, and numerator comes in denominator. So when we will take reciprocal, then the power or exponent will become positive here. Okay, so a to the power minus n can be written as 1 upon a to the power n. We will take reciprocal and the exponent will become positive in this case. Okay, so for example, 3 to the power minus 2. Here exponent value is minus 2, which is negative. So it will be 1 upon 3 to the power 2. It will be 1 upon 3 to the power 2. That means 1 upon 9. Let's take another example. 4 to the power minus 3. So it can be written as 1 upon 4 to the power 3. It can be written as 1 upon 4 to the power 3. Okay, so it will be 1 upon, now 4 to the power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. We will multiply 4 how many times? 3 times. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 64. Okay, 1 upon 64, right? So 4 to the power minus 3 is how much? 1 upon 64. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, now in case we have say negative base and we have a negative exponent. Negative base, negative exponent. Both values are negative. Okay. So first what we will do? First of all, we will make the exponent positive. Okay. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पर exponent को positive करेंगे. Okay. So it can be written as 1 upon minus 2 to the power 3. Minus 2 to the power 3. Remember, only exponent will become positive, but base minus 2 will remain same. Okay. Base will not become positive. Only the exponent value will become positive. Okay. Now come to this concept. Okay. Now what we have? We have exponent of a negative integer. Now look at the exponent value. Exponent value is odd. 3 is an odd number. Okay, so it will be minus of a to the power n according to this concept. So it will be 1 upon minus of 2 to the power 3. Okay, and how much is 2 to the power 3? It will be minus of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so it will be how much? 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is how much? 8. So it will be minus 8, and this can also be written as minus 1 upon 8. 1 upon minus 8 can also be written as minus 1 upon 8. This we have understood in chapter number 1, rational number. So this is what? Negative exponent. This is what? Negative exponent. Okay, so in case of negative exponent, we will take reciprocal of the number and the exponent will become positive. Now, पॉजिटिव इंटीग्रल एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर. अब हम बात करेंगे रैशनल नंबर के एक्सपोनेंट्स की. ओके. नाउ पॉजिटिव इंटीग्रल एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर, दैट मींस द एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव. द एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव. ओके. सो a upon b here is a rational number. Okay, we have learned this in chapter number 1, rational number. Any number in the form a upon b where b is not equals to 0 is a rational number. So a upon b is a rational number. A upon b is a rational number. A upon b to the power n. Okay, so it will be, the concept will remain same, like a to the power n. A to the power n means a multiplied by a multiplied by a, how many times? n times. Okay, n times हम multiply करेंगे. Similarly, a upon b to the power n means a upon b multiply by a upon b multiply by a upon b. How many times we will multiply? We will multiply n times. Why? Because the exponent value is n here. So it will be what? Look, in numerator we have a multiply by a multiply by a. How many times we are multiplying a? We are multiplying a n times. So it will be a to the power n. And in denominator we have b multiply by b multiply by b. Again, how many times? N times we are multiplying b. So it will be b to the power n. Okay. So a upon b to the power n can be written as a to the power n upon b to the power n. So for example, evaluate 3 upon 5 to the power 3. 3 upon 5 to the power 3. So according to this concept, 3 upon 5 to the power 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3. It can be written as 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and 5 to the power 3 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so how much is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3? It is 27. And how much is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5? It is 125. 125. So 3 upon 5 to the power 3 is how much? It is 27. upon 125. 27 upon 125. So in this way, we can calculate the positive integral exponent of a rational number. Okay. Now next is negative integral exponents of a rational number. Now we have the exponent value will be negative now. Okay. And the base value is again a rational number. Okay. So now, first of all, we will recall the concept of rational number. Okay, because it is important to understand here. A upon B. If A upon B is a rational number, then what will be the reciprocal of A upon B? The reciprocal of A upon B will be, I told you when we discussed chapter number 1, rational number, then we have discussed it that the reciprocal of A upon B will be what? B upon A. B upon A. The denominator value will go to numerator and the numerator value will go to denominator. So reciprocal of A upon B will be B upon A. Why it is important to understood here? Because अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले समझा कि नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट के केस में हम क्या करते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल वैल्यू लेते हैं and by doing so the exponent will become positive. Okay, now if we have a rational number A upon B, okay, and exponent is minus n, now the exponent value is negative here. Okay, so in order to make the exponent positive, what we will do, we will take the reciprocal of A upon B. And what is reciprocal of A upon B? It is B upon A. We have just understood. So A upon B. Okay. So now what we will do? We will take reciprocal of it. It will be B upon A. And now because we have taken the reciprocal of the rational number, so the exponent value minus n will here become positive. The exponent value minus n will become positive, so it will be n here. So A upon B to the power minus n can be written as B upon A to the power n. B upon A to the power n, and we have just understood that this can be written as B to the power n upon A to the power n. B to the power n upon A to the power n. Now for example, we have 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 and we have to evaluate its value. Okay, evaluate means हमें इसका value पता करना है. So 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3. So now you can see that the exponent value is negative. Okay, so when you will find a negative exponent of a rational number, so first step will be you will make the exponent value positive. How? You will take reciprocal of the rational number. So reciprocal of 3 upon 5 will be 5 upon 3. Reciprocal of 3 upon 5 will be 5 upon 3. And because we have taken reciprocal, now the exponent will become positive. So 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 can be written as 5 upon 3 to the power 3. So it will be now 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And it will be how much? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It is 125. And 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is how much? 27. So it will be 125 upon 27. Okay, let's take one more example. Evaluate minus 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Okay, minus 4 here. Okay, minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Okay, now look, the rational number is negative. Okay, and base is also negative. So what we will do? Minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Okay, so first of all we will make the exponent value positive. Okay, how? We will take reciprocal. Okay, now we have understood in case of rational numbers that minus a upon b can be written, if you will take reciprocal, so it will be minus b upon a. The negative sign always remains in the numerator. The negative sign always remains in the numerator. Okay. So minus 2 upon 3, when we will take reciprocal of it, it will be minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. And because we have taken reciprocal, so the exponent value minus 4 will become 4 here, Okay. Now this can be written as, okay, it is very important now. This can be written as minus 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4, Okay. Now you can see that in numerator we have a negative base value. Okay, so we have just understood that how to calculate this value. When base is negative, look at the exponent value. Now here exponent value is an even number, so it will remain as 3 to the power 4. When base is negative and exponent is even, so minus 3 to the power 4 will be 3 to the power 4 and upon 2 to the power 4. Okay, so it will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times. Okay, upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so how much it is? 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Again 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 9 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is how much? It is 81. Okay, 81. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Again 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is how much? 16. So it will be 81 upon 16. It will be 81 upon 16. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the value. Now one very important thing that you need to remember, it is a very important point. Okay, any non-zero real number raised to the power of 0 is always 1. This means that a to the power 0 is always 1 where a is not equals to 0. That means अगर बेस वैल्यू 0 नहीं है, दिस मीन्स दैट कि अगर बेस वैल्यू 0 नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेस वैल्यू इज 3, नाउ एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू इज 0, बेस वैल्यू शुड बी अ नॉन जीरो नंबर and exponent is a 0 value. Okay, so 3 to the power 0 is what? 1. 3 to the power 0 is 1. 9 to the power 0 is also 1. Okay, minus 4 to the power 0 is also 1. Minus 4 to the power 0 is always 1. Then 5 upon 6 to the power 0, it is again 1. So in case exponent value is 0, and base value is any real number other than 0, base value 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए, उसके अलावा कोई भी value अगर है, then the answer will always be 1. value 1. So 4 to the power 0 is 1. 2 upon 5 to the power 0 is also 1. So remember, this is very important. Any number, any non-zero number to the power 0 is always 1. This is very important point which you need to take care of, which you need to understand. Okay. So students, today we have understood the basic concepts of exponent. What do we mean by exponent? How to calculate the exponent of a positive integer, negative integer, then exponent in case of rational number, and what happens when exponent value is 0. Okay, so in next class we will discuss some laws of exponent. Okay, take care, goodbye.